Hey guys, it's Nick here in Little Havana in Miami, and when I look this place up on Google Maps, it just gives you a big area. It doesn't really show you the main part, and so the main part is Southwest 8th Street, starting somewhere around 17th Avenue here, right by the Burger King. So when you see the Burger King, head this way. It's a one-way street, and this is where the majority of all the cool shops, cigar places, the Azucar Ice Cream place, the really good ice cream place is. So I'm gonna walk down 8th Street, Southwest 8th Street, and show you what it looks like on a regular Friday afternoon, 3:30 in the afternoon. So let's go check that out. So here is the Havana kind of Walk of Fame of famous people, like the Hollywood Walk of Fame, but famous, I guess, Cubans or Latins all along this street. They have their own stores, a lot of cool murals here, like that green one across the street. And let me just say that this is my first time coming here, and not to Miami, but to these areas. The other times I've been in Miami, I didn't really check out all these touristy areas. And in my research, of course, everybody says go check out Coconut Grove, and I did, and I wasn't that impressed, and that's why I'm saying that, because I like Little Havana way better than Coconut Grove. So if you have only one option to check out while you're here, I would come to Little Havana instead, because you'll see it's a really cool vibe here. So a lot of really cool restaurants, cigar shops, ice cream, coffee, of course. Wow. It reminds me a little bit of Ybor City in Tampa, because of the cigar shops and kind of Spanish history kind of thing. Taco shop. We got a Cuban Domino's over there. So I know Cuban cigars are still supposed to be banned, I guess, but if a Cuban makes your cigar here, is that okay? Is that officially a Cuban cigar? And you got all these, I don't know what they are, roosters? Good beer here. Eat burger. So a lot of barber shops, a lot of cigar factories, but you even have a sushi bar. Cigar factory looks really cool. And they even got a little coffee machine for, I guess, while you check out the different cigars. And your typical touristy store with all kinds of mugs and stuff like that. Arts and crafts kind of places. A lot of different coffee pots, mocha pots. Official cafecito of the Miami Marlins. Wow, I guess they got some good coffee in here. I think I'm gonna have to stop by here later and check it out. across from Azucar is a little coffee place. You got your chicken empanadas here. Not huge, but okay, looks pretty good. Saucy inside. Very good. Good little coffee. And so a good landmark here is Azucar Ice Cream Company. And I just had some ice cream and coffee there. So take a look at what it looks like. Abuela Maria, cafe con leche, cocoa. Elvis is banana and peanut butter, like Elvis sandwiches. And this is all the flavors. And they even sell little coffees, cafecitos. So, pretty cool place. So here we are at Azucar Ice Cream Company in Little Havana, and I got the cafe con leche and the other #1 popular flavor, which I think is mango chunks or something like that, and some kind of graham cookies, Maria cookie or something like that. So let's see how that is. This is the #1 flavor. That's pretty good. And the coffee part, of course. Coffee is very good, and they sell little coffees also, cafecitos for $1. So you can have your hot coffee and your ice cream coffee together. I wouldn't pour it on top, but a little of this and a little of the coffee ice cream, and I don't know, who's better than us hanging out here in Little Havana in Miami at the ice cream shop on a nice afternoon. So it's a pretty nice place. Come check it out, and definitely go check out Azucar Ice Cream. So really good ice cream place. They got all kinds of normal flavors, and then they have like Cuban inspired flavors, which some of them are their best sellers. So definitely go check that out. But this small park here is closed. They have a Christmas tree. I guess this is the Domino Park where people play dominoes. Unfortunately, it's closed. The only people hanging out here is a cop and I don't know. Very cool place. That looks like a very cool place. They got live music and has a really cool inside with an old kind of Cuban theme or something. They even got a Cuban McDonald's. And here's more of the people from the Walk of Fame. So I don't know how long this Little Havana actually officially is, but it seems like this is kind of getting to the end of the most popular section of it. So it's probably, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 blocks, something along those lines. But it's real interesting to see. Come check it out. And you can even, this looks like one real authentic looking little stand that sells hot sandwiches and whatnot. And this place is so popular, they even have bus tours coming here right to eat here. La Esquina La Fama Restaurant. Must be good. Look at the people lining up to come here. So, wow. Right next to McDonald's. El Taquito, tacos. So this kind of looks like the end of it, mostly. I don't want somebody to say, there's 10 more blocks of it down this way. Maybe there is, I don't know, but this seems to be the majority of where most of the shops and the tourists are hanging out. So this is a Cuban bakery. Alright, looks pretty good. Guys, I don't know if there's more in this direction, but I walked a couple good blocks here, and by like Southwest 14th Avenue or something, that seems to be kind of where the majority of the people in the shops are. So that's my look at Little Havana, and I really liked it, so come check it out if you're in Miami. I would pick this as one of my top things to check out.